Hey you guys, Credit Repair Co. is back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how hard credit inquiry removal can really boost your credit score. We had a client come to us and he had probably over 35 hard credit inquiries, so that really took a toll on his overall credit score. As you can see here, he came to us with a TransUnion 654, Experian 625, and an Equifax 629. So we were able to help him remove 16 hard credit inquiries, but let me go ahead and just show you his list. So as you can see here, the list is very long with a lot of inquiries here. We're still working on his credit report, but I just want to show you guys what 16 can do to boost your credit score. So hold on one second. Okay, so now he's at a 677 on TransUnion, Experian 675, and his Equifax is a 662. So we were able on average to boost it around 21 points, which is really good. Just on increase alone, a 21 score increase. So it's just things like that to show you don't have to have any late payments, derogatory collection accounts. Just inquiries alone really affect your credit score. And let me go ahead and show you his new list. So these are the remaining inquiries, and I can show you again the really long list he had here. So again, Credit Repair Co., we offer a VIP fast hard credit inquiry removal service that we can remove the inquiries from your credit report within 2 days. So go ahead and give us a call, 424-328-0405, and you can visit our website, www.creditrepairco.net. Thank you guys.